Hello, it's Michael here. In this video, we're going to be setting up borders for AutoCAD drawings. In AutoCAD, under the CadTracker ribbon, we'll click Set Up Borders. We want to add a new one, which is located on our NAS. This is an A1 border, and we have an attribute to show the intended paper size. We can search for the attribute by its tag or prompt. Under the Project tab, we'll search for the project number. Another way to map attributes is to pick them. When you're setting up a border from scratch, the easiest way is to pick multiple border attributes. We'll select all the drawing attributes that we want to map, all the operators, and the current revision. For the issue lines, we only want to pick the attributes for one line, because we'll get CadTracker to automatically populate the rest. Now CadTracker will prompt me to pick each attribute that we selected. Under the Public Issue History Lines tab, we can very easily add the rest of our lines because our attribute tags are sensibly and consistently named. If we add one too many lines, CadTracker won't find any attributes that match the pattern. We have another A1 border with the title block on the right-hand side. It has a lot less attributes, but they use the same attribute names as our standard border. So setting this one up will be very easy because we can copy the mappings. We can see the result of the copy. This border only has 3 issue lines, so we'll remove the extra 6 that were copied. These borders are likely to be used in many projects, so we'll set them up as default drawing types, which will be automatically copied into all new projects. In CadTracker, click Tools, Drawing, Types. We'll add a new drawing type. The border file can be an absolute path, relative to the project folder, or relative to a site folder. We usually recommend copying the borders into the project folder, as this allows you to modify the border with client logos or project info. As long as the attributes and the file name are the same, you don't have to set up a new border. See the Quick Project Wizard video to learn about setting up a project template folder. For this demo, we'll use an absolute path to our NAS. We'll call this one M&A A1 Detail. We'll assign an A1 PDF plot setting. We'll set up another drawing type for sketches. You can set up multiple drawing types using the same border DWG. Each drawing type just needs a unique name. And we'll also set up a drawing type using the A1 side border. Now we'll edit our existing P123 project and copy the new drawing types. Back in AutoCAD, we can create new drawings using our new drawing types. We'll add a border, add a number, and some titles. And our attributes have been populated. We'll add another drawing using our sketch drawing type. And one more using the side border. Now we'll rev up the drawings for approval to check our public issue history lines. We'll select the drawings, set Mary as the checked by operator, approved by admin, and select a PDF plot. The drawings have been revved up and our issue line is populated. And in CadTracker, we can see our PDF plots. That's how to set up AutoCAD borders in CadTracker. Bye for now.